I reached 100 subs. Because of you guys, I'm going to be giving you awesome Riddim pack. I'm going to include 20 exclusive wavetables that I picked for you. Putting in, I want to say 10 to 15 serum presets for you. Yes, you. It's all for you. 100 subs. Thank you so much. Play through. These seats. I don't even know what the fuck to say anymore. I had this mic muted on accident, and I had the best speech ever. The best speech. If this really helped you, please drop a sub. If you really liked this pack, drop a sub. Other than that, leave a comment below what you think I should talk about next and what you think I should do next for you, because I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not gonna be like doing tutorials all the time. I really want to make this channel something that's like a community where it's about you and dubstep and what I can do to help those two, you know. And I hope we can build a community here, and I can keep on helping you guys grow and giving you guys what you want, you know, what kind of content you guys are looking forward to, whatever that may be. So please just shoot me a message, let me know anytime. You know how it is. And other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, safe, and do not give up on your music career, no matter what. Just don't give up. It's fun. The day we all want to make it, right? But who cares? Fuck the pros. We're just having fun, doing what we love, you know? So, other than that, peace out, guys.